Hello everyone, welcome to 80s Kitchen and Vlogs. So today we are leaving Beijing for Shanghai. And guess what? We are not going by air, but we are going by a bullet train. So now we have reached the Beijing South Railway Station, from where we will take our bullet train to Shanghai. So we are taking a G-class bullet train which costed around 553 yuan for each person. The distance between Beijing and Shanghai is 1318 kilometers, but this bullet train covers it in only 4.5 hours. Let me tell you all a bit about Shanghai. So Shanghai is basically located in China's central coast, and it is this country's biggest city and a global financial hub. Shanghai also has the world's largest port, and it also has the world's fastest train. It also has the tallest TV and media station tower. After reaching Shanghai, we went to our hotel, freshened up, and headed out for our early dinner. We spent our evening by watching the Shanghai acrobatic show, which everyone must go to if they're coming to Shanghai because it's an awesome experience. So the next day we had our breakfast and headed out for the day's journey. Our tour guide told us that in front of us is an exhibition hall made by the Russians. So our first destination is a water village. So we have come to the Zhujiajiao water village because it was the nearest to the city. This place is known as the Venice of China and is characterized by arched bridges and many of the traditional style Chinese dwellings. Our tour guide showed us a traditional Chinese style house which is now maintained by the government.
So the first hall will be the living room for the family. In China, man first and lady second.
Okay.
So man always come first.
After this, we sat in a gondola or a boat to go around the village.
But people usually live behind. The front rooms are usually for shops, restaurants.
Yeah, I could see that there are some houses there.
Yeah.
It's more commercial. And in the past, there was no running water.
So the next thing was one of my most favorite experiences in Shanghai. So there is this shop where you can dress up as a Chinese, and they would do Chinese hairstyles and Chinese dresses, and you can take different pictures in different poses with different types of props and everything. It almost felt like a whole photo shoot for me, and I was really excited. This was also at a very reasonable price because they didn't charge for the dress and the makeup or anything. They only charged for the photos, and one picture was around 10 yuan. Everything in the water village is comparatively cheaper than the city. Next, we went to the world's most fastest train, which is called as the Shanghai Maglev, and it uses magnetic levitation for its speed. So that's it for today, everyone. I hope you all really like this video. Give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to AD's Kitchen and Vlogs. Press the bell icon so that you never miss another update from our channel. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Until next time. Goodbye.